The accused persons in the matter include Chris Obore, the former Director Communications and Public Affairs Parliament, Adido Daniel, former Director Human Resource, Okemare Onad, former Director Secretary Office of the Speaker of Parliament, Rajabokaya Semalulu, former Principal Research Officer, Okwi Emmanuel Emrun, former Capacity Development Officer Parliament, Munebe Methods, Chief Executive Officer, Uganda Parliamentary Cooperation Savings and Credit Society Limited SACCO, and Stella Ahatute. The accused who appeared in court today for mention of the case, prosecution informed court that investigations are complete in the matter and asked court to commit the accused to High Court for a full trial. In the indictment read to the accused, prosecution alleges that the 7 and others still at large during the period of 2023 in Parliament of Uganda, Kampala District, received funds for donations and corporate social responsibility activities of Parliament of Uganda, but did not implement the activities, knowing or having reasons to believe that their acts will cause financial loss to the government of Uganda of over 27 billion Ugandan shillings.
That Mr. Rajab Kaya Semalulu received 1,108,000 shillings for donations and corporate social responsibility activities of the Parliament, but neither implemented them. Mr. Otebata received 502,534,000 shillings.
Prosecution also alleges that the 7 and others still at large during the period of January 2023 to April 2026 in Parliament of Uganda, Kampala District, in their respective offices, processed, approved and received over 10 billion Ugandan shillings, knowing at the time of processing and receipt, the said funds were proceeds of crime.
As employees of Parliament, received a total of 26,805,892,000 shillings. For donations, corporate social responsibility and engagement activities of the Parliament of Uganda, but did not implement the activities, knowing or having reason to believe that their actions would cause financial loss to the government.
Prosecution will depend on evidence from beneficiaries in the SACCO from Gulu, Moroto, Bukedia, Lango, Mukono, Kampala, Adjumani, among other parts of the country. Among the exhibits to be relied on in this case include documents for the SACCO, Bank of Uganda, Abusa Bank, Stanbic Bank, Parliament of Uganda, Uganda Police, and exhibits from the Inspectorate of Government Office. However, prosecution has withdrawn Stella Atute from the charge sheet since she is nowhere to be seen. Last week, the same court issued a warrant of arrest against Stella Atute upon sight by security operatives, although since then her whereabouts are not known. The case will be back for mention on 18th August 2026, and the accused Chris Obore and others were further remanded to Ruzira Government Prison. Deborah Namamonde, Viola Nance Subuga, UBC News.